In this video, we're comparing two popular self-hosted Notion alternatives in 2026. Outline and Affine. Outline is a mature open-source wiki and documentation tool with real-time collaboration, markdown editing, and Slack or Figma integrations. You host it yourself so you keep control of your data and skip subscriptions. It's great for structured team docs, though setup can be a bit technical and it's not built for graph-style note linking. Affine, meanwhile, focuses on block-based editing and knowledge graph connections, perfect for visual thinkers and creators who like linking ideas. It's newer, with fewer integrations and higher server needs, but it's flexible and growing fast. So, if you want stability and organization, go with Outline. But if you prefer creativity and connected thinking, try Affine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and honest reviews.